Hey everyone, ready to embark on an unforgettable journey? Today, we're diving into the heart of one of the most spectacular cities in the world, Singapore. First up, feast your eyes on the jaw-dropping Marina Bay Sands. This architectural marvel isn't just a hotel, it's a world of its own. From its iconic infinity pool to the stunning views of the skyline, it's a bucket list experience you can't miss. Next stop, Gardens by the Bay. This isn't just any garden, it's a futuristic wonderland. Imagine wandering through towering super trees and marveling at the vibrant flora in the flower dome. And don't forget the magical light show at night. But wait, there's more. Jewel Changi Airport is not just an airport, it's a destination. With its mesmerizing rain vortex, the world's tallest indoor waterfall, you'll be in awe from the moment you step in. Now, let's dive into the cultural heartbeat of Singapore. In Chinatown, you'll find rich heritage and stunning temples. Little India bursts with colors, spices, and energy, making it an incredible feast for the senses. And Kampong Glam, it's a perfect blend of tradition and modernity, with its vibrant street art and the iconic Sultan Mosque. Hungry? Singapore's food scene is legendary. From hawker centres to fine dining, there's something for every palate. Don't miss out on trying the world-famous Hainanese chicken rice or a steaming bowl of laksa. As the sun sets, Singapore transforms. The city's nightlife comes alive and the skyline lights up in a dazzling display. Whether you're sipping a cocktail at a rooftop bar or taking a nighttime stroll along Marina Bay, the views are simply breathtaking. So what are you waiting for? Discover the beauty, culture and magic of Singapore. Explore Singapore, a city of wonders. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing adventures. See you in the next video.